I was little busy after coming here to set up all my things. Then I had to work a part time also to just to help myself. I didn't had much time. I used to listen to the classes multiple times, and then for last 1.5 month, I really sat to myself like 10 hours, like something like that. I gave 8 to 10 hours.
Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I'm Dr. Sodamni, one of the members of Elite Expertise, and today we have with us Yamini. Hi Yamini, welcome to Elite Expertise and congratulations on clearing your opera exam. How are you feeling?
Hi, first of all, I'm so happy that I have cleared my exam within like 3 months of preparation. It was like a dream for me. I was not expecting to clear the exam in the first go, but I was like not sure that I would clear it in the first go. But thank you to Harika ma'am and Arif sir. I really thoroughly enjoyed the classes which I had with them, and yeah, the Arif sir's teaching is like next level. I wish I had some teacher like that during my BFAM, and my masters too. So I really enjoyed the process, and it was like a dream, as if I have to say that.
Okay, please tell us more about yourself. Where are you from? What did you study?
So myself, Yami. So I have done my BFAM and masters in India. So I had to move to Australia like 6 months ago. Before that, only I have joined Elite Expertise. During this process, I was little busy and was not able to concentrate for the March sitting. But when I started sitting for the July exam, I really concentrated on the studies which I wanted to clear it in the first go. And apart from that, I have completed my masters in 2018 and my bachelor's in 2016. It was a my gap between during this one I worked in industrial pharmacy, not in like particularly in the core subject like in the pharmacy. And as we know, it is different in India and when it comes to Australia how the pharmacy works. So yeah, it was little tough for me to cope up in the first thing, but when I started listening to classes, they made it clear and made it visualize like how it is going to work and how we are going to present ourselves. So it was good.
So, how did you come to Australia?
I had to get married. The,
Okay, very nice answer.
just joking. So because it was like a personal thing. I got married and then I had to move here. As I said, I have like worked in industrial pharmacy for 5 years. So I was really scared in the first time during sitting for the exam, but it was clear when I was like giving the exam. It was like I have read everything previously when I was doing mocks. It was like I have read somewhere, but I was not clear. But when I listened to the lectures, then I gave the exam. It was like, oh yeah, I know now what my man sir is saying.
So, how did you come in contact with Elite Expertise?
I heard from a friend actually.
Okay.
They recommended us for their light expertise, and I came in contact with Harika ma'am directly. Then she referred to her assistants, I guess.
Okay. So, each day, how much time did you give for your preparation?
So I was little busy after coming here to set up all my things. Then I had to work a part time also to just to help myself. I didn't had much time. I used to listen to the classes multiple times. And then for last 1.5 month, I really sat to myself like 10 hours, like something like that. I gave 8 to 10 hours, and that's it. Yeah, I I actually listen to the classes more than preparing myself, like giving a notes or something like that.
So, what did you love about Elite Expertise and especially about Harika ma'am and Arif sir?
Oh, there we go. I really loved listening to the lectures. I have to tell you, if I have to recommend to someone, the first thing I would say them, just listen to them. It is like a movie, like it's going on like subtle movie where it is a good flow. It doesn't have any hurdles. And in the I or some have thought, okay, we are not going to the main chapters yet. When are we going? That small zeal of learning everything at once. But later on, they gave us the basics. Then, when we went into the main subject, it was like, okay, now we know why they are saying it. It was really thoroughly enjoyed it. Learning the process was so smooth.
Okay. So, let's talk about your last month preparation. How was it?
It was like a intense one. Like for the classes, I have sat for all the last classes. I should say whatever we have revised for before 3 months, like 2.5 months with them. We have revised and going like from back to front. Whatever we have revised, it was like, okay, now we know. I got a confidence where it was like, okay, now I know what I have read and how much I can do. It was like just listen to my or listen to sir. It is all that needed to sit for the exam.
Okay, that was nice. And now let's move to the last few questions. So, first one be, do you have any tips for our future aspirants?
As I said multiple times all this way, just listen to their classes, just listen to them, repeat it after once done the listening to the lectures. You have to don't make any notes, just listen to the lectures multiple times. That is all it needs. And do as many mocks as possible. Yeah.
Okay. And my last question to you, how highly do you recommend Elite Expertise?
10 on 10. I'm confidently can recommend each of my friend like 10 on 10 to them. Just go blind, go for this. That's it, I can say.
Okay, thank you so much, Yamini, and all the very best for your future. We hope that you clear your intern written and oral exam as well and become a completely registered pharmacist in Australia very soon. Thank you so much, Yamini. All the very best. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.